So we're gonna be doing another POV this time. Julio and Fap are with us, and I'll be the cameraman this time, unlike the previous video. Our bikes are outside there. Fap's Fixie's there, my Fixie's there, Julio's MTB is there, and there's also a problem with Fap's bike. Anong problema? What's the problem?
I don't know anymore.
I'm just gonna finish my noodles. We'll finish our drinks. Also, this cafe has a Fixie. This is nice. Cafeona. It's a strawberry shake. Very nice. Okay, so my phone will charge for now, and then we'll be going in a few minutes. Right now it is 2:30 exact, and yeah, once it's charged, we will go. Okay, we're just getting ready now. I'm putting on my helmet. I'll lead the way.
Gitna ako.
What do we were going to Bayan, bro? We're not going to Bayan.
Gitna.
Let me
Guys, wait.
No, you don't know where to go.
Guys, gitna ako. Pwede? Sa'yo ka?
No, because we're gonna take a different route, a faster route, and I'll lead the way.
Saan ba? Dito or saan?
Doon nga. We're gonna go take the other way.
Wait, where are we going?
Kalmar.
No, like,
There's another gate for Kalmar.
Okay, go.
Alright. Hey, Julio. Pop. Alright. Let's do this.
Wait, gitna ako ah. Saan ka dito? Sino muna?
No, we'll go this way. Actually, we'll go this way.
Wait.
Yeah, we'll go that way.
Mabaka muna ba ito?
Bakit? So I gotta lead the way for these guys. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just gonna make sure. 0.5, is it in 0.5? Yes, it's in 0.5. Yeah.
Uy, hindi ka na! Wait! Guys!
Yo! Yo! Watch out, man.
Sinasabi niyo guys. Ito daan! Walang to daan.
Lalabas tayo. Tapos, ano?
Saan labas? Saan?
Sa SM. Oo.
Bukod sa SM? Yung alam mo?
Hindi.
Ba't ka una?
Okay lang yan. Alam niya ang site, so it should be fine. Oh man.
Ay, huwag ka iwan.
Alright. Watch out. The hump is pretty camouflaged, if I do say so myself. Okay. Huh? What do we gotta check? Ah. Yung charger ni Fap. You okay? Alright. We're gonna turn left in a bit. They're literally arguing about saddles right now. It's pretty funny. Left! All right. Why is the traffic here? It's peculiar. There's a car park.
No, don't go there. I'm gonna get stuck.
You go first. Hey, well, no. Go first.
Counterflow.
Counterflow? But there's just a car parked here. This idiot, this scumbag who parked this here, man. Who would park their car there? An actual dumbass, man. Mad chaos. Yeah.
Kala ko pinayari sa may Chris Angelo kasi. Walk, please. Goodbye, lahat!
Ah! Wait for Fab. Huh? Yeah.
Yung straight lang?
Pero mahirap. It's mostly uphill there. Dahil nasa diversion ka. So,
Highway nga yun eh. Haba ng daan.
pero baka mawala ka sa bayan. Lukata!
I hate you.
Why?
Pwede baka ako nag-skip dito. May ikaw hours in airport. Lagi bago boss. Ang gamo ko ako ay nakakita niyo.
We're going left. We're going left. place dito kung if we're gonna go to the clubhouse. We're going.
Sa magdaan?
Yeah.
Wala akong talaga pag-invest dito. Ako tayo ng outfit. Tayo yun. Revising, bro.
Kanan. Kanan. Oh. Oh. Straight ahead.
Straight lang ba?
Oh. And there he goes.
Tayo yun. Naligat ang flower. Don't worry.
No.
Sinaran yun na.
Gago.
Sinaran yun na.
Ba't nandito ang Arky? Alright, we're here. We're in the clubhouse. Oh, what are you gonna say? Ano sasabi mo dito?
Pagod na ako.
Julia, what are you gonna say?
Final stretch, may 1.
I didn't even sprint in the last part, bro. Alright, subscribe.